Good day, friends. Paul here with another air-conditioned season. I want to show you my setup this year for insulating those cheap accordion panels which really do nothing to keep the heat out. So I'm just using closed cell foam here, using some packaging that I received with Frost King weather seal tape. Frost King's the tape you want for that. And all along these seams here, now this closed cell foam really protects the heat from coming into the apartment here. And again, tape down that edge. And here you see on this windowsill on the top where the two windows meet, I also use Frost King weather seal tape in that gap. And then use these dowels, these supporting dowels that push down on that top window, friends, so your AC doesn't fall out, to keep this nice and snug. Thanks for tuning in. Please post your comments below about how you're staying cool this air-conditioned season. And you know what? With global warming and climate change, no matter where you stand or don't stand on that, let's face it, the temperatures are getting hotter every single summer. Seems like every summer now we're having new heat records across the country and across the world. So stay cool by insulating those cheap-ass accordion panels with closed cell foam and then sealed off with Frost King weather seal tape.